Every word and every action of a human being reflects his inner state of mind. Every human act is either an offer or a plea for help.
That's a somewhat black and white way to look at things. Are you implying that an attempt to hurt yourself or others is always a plea for help?
Exactly.
I don't know about this. According to you, there are many who are pleading for help. But why?
You are concentrating on the wrong efforts and pretensions. You are not searching for light. You are seeking darkness and shadows.
What shadows?
Many people have distorted views of what happiness is and what things create happiness. People look in the wrong place, concentrate too much on superficial matters. They forget the essential. As recent as the 1980s, the majority of Americans said getting married and having children was part of the American dream. These days, less than half think so. Every third person thinks becoming a celebrity and getting rich is the core of the American dream. The human being becomes secularized and forgets about the spiritual dimension of life. Materialism decreases the significance of spirituality year by year. Commercialism flourishes. Today shopping malls outnumber churches in the United States.